In LibreOffice Calc, you can sum a column using the AutoSum feature, a specific formula or a keyboard shortcut. We will see each method one by one. In the first method, you can enter the formula. You need to just click on the cell and then type equal to and sum. Open parenthesis and select all and close the parenthesis and press enter on your keyboard. This method is useful when you have less number of values, but if you have large number of values, what you need to do is just click on the empty cell at the bottom of the column you want to sum. In the formula bar here, click on this small downward triangle and you will see the option of sum. This is the auto sum option. So when you click on this option and press enter on your keyboard, you will get the sum of the numbers. You can also quickly select all the numbers and the sum will appear here as well. The keyboard shortcut for calculating the sum is press and hold the Alt key and then press equal sign on your keyboard to sum a column numbers. You can also stretch the cell with the formula like this and can calculate the sum for the next column as well. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn LibreOffice Calc quickly. See you again in the next one.